There's a lot of hype around AI. Everybody has an AI-powered something today. But for Automation Intellect, CoachIQ, powered by large language model, is the absolute perfect use case of this type of technology. I'm Kurt Luke. I'm the Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Automation Intellect. AI's mission is to help manufacturers around the world to improve their machines' performance. Automation Intellect provides a small edge device that attaches to these multi-million-dollar pieces of machinery. We collect data from them, metrics like temperature and pressure. We read all that up into the AWS trusted cloud. We process it, we analyze it, and send back to our customers valuable insights about how their machines are performing with the objective to improve it.
Automation Intellect has repeatedly helped customers improve OEE by 5 to 10% within the first 30 days.
DoiT International has been so helpful in a number of areas. The expertise that they have brought to us around AWS and large language models, Bedrock, etc., have been incredible. So what we built was a product called CoachIQ. CoachIQ's objective is to crawl through all of the data within our system and to draw out insights that we could help our customers to understand the basic question of, okay, great, what do I do now? CoachIQ, the foundational element is Bedrock, and then we use the full stack of AWS's tools that we've been using for years. We could not be where we're at without DoiT International's assistance and technical expertise. We're answering the question, what should I do with all of this data? And even more importantly, what is the most important thing I should do today?